Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 2.2 question number 3. Multiply and reduced to lowest form and convert into a mixed fraction. Right. Let us take question number 1. In question number 1, here we are finding that question number 1 is 7. That is 7 into 3 by 5 into 3 by 5. 7, there is nothing, that is we can 7, you can write 7 by 1 or 7, right? There is 7 into 3, 3 7 is 21 and 5 into 1 is 5. Now divide 21 by 5. Now if you divide 21 by 5, we are getting 5 4 ja 20, 21 minus 20, that is 1, or you can write as 4 whole 1 by 5, 4 whole 1 by 5. Therefore it can be written as 4 whole 1 by 5, right? 1 by 5. Now question number 2. Question number 2 is 4 into 4 into 1 by 3 into 1 by 3. That means you have to multiply 4 with the numerator of this fraction. That is 4 into 1, that is 4 by 3. Now divide 4 by 3. Divide 4 by 3. That is 3 1 ja 3. 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. That is comes to 1 whole 1 by 3. 1 whole 1 by 3. It is equal to 1 whole 1 by 3. 1 whole 1 by 3. This is question number 2. Question number 3 is 1, 2, 3. This is question number 3. Question number 3, 2 into 6 by 7. 6 by 7. Right? That is 6 to the 12. 12 by 7. If we divide 12 by 7, 12 by 7, you are getting 7 is just 7. 12 minus 7, that is 5. That is we are getting 1 whole 5 by 7. 5 by 7. That comes to 1 whole 5 by 7. 5 by 7. Right? Now question number 4 is question number 4. Question number 4 is, what is that? 5 into 2 by 9. 5 into 2 by 9 into 2 by 9. That is equal to 5 to the 10 divided by 9. If we divide by 10, if we divide 10 by 9, divide 10 by 9, you are getting 9 1 ja 9, 9 1 ja 9, minus the 10 minus 1 is 9 is 1. That is 1 whole 1 by 9. That comes to equal to 1 whole 1 by 9. Therefore it is equal to 1 whole 1 by 9. Right? Now question number 5. Question number 5 is, you see, question number 5 is 2 by 3 into 4 into 4. That comes to 4 into 2, that is 8, divided by 3. If divide 8 by 3, you are getting 3 2 just 6, 2 just 6. 8 minus 6 is 2. That is 2 whole 2 by 3. That is equal to 2 whole 2 by 3. 2 by 3. That is the answer of question number 5. Now question number 6 is question number 6. Question number 6. What is question number 6? 5 by 2. 5 by 2 into 6 into 6. Right? That is equal to 5 6 ja 30. 5 6 30 by 2, right? If you change into lowest term, what you will get? Lowest term, that is 2 1 2 and 2 15 30, that is equal to 15 by 1. 15 by 1, and that is equal to 15. It is equal to 15 is the answer. 6. Now question number 7 is, you see, question number 7 is 11 into 4 by 7. 11 into 4 by 7. Therefore, we are getting 11 into 4. You have to multiply this number with this number. That is 4 11 is 44. 44 divided by 7. Now divide 44 by 7. You have to divide 44 by 7. You are getting 44. Here you will divide 44 by 7. Then you are getting 7 6 42. 44 minus 42 is 2. That is 6 whole 2 by 7. We are getting 6 whole 2 by 7. Right? This is the question of question number 7. Now we'll solve question number 8. Question number 8 is, let us solve question number 8. Now question number 8 is, you see here. Now question number 8. 5 6 7 8. Question number 8. Question number 8 is 20 into 4 by 5 into 4 by 5, right? Therefore we are getting 20 into 4, that is 4 or 4 to the 8 and 0, and it is 5. Therefore 5 and 5, 5 and 5, 5 6 30, 5 6 30. That is comes to 16 by 1. 16 by 1, or you can write it as 16. Here is 16 is the answer. 8. Now question number 9 is, 13 whole 1 by 3. 13 into 1 by 3. 13 into 1 by 3. That is equal to 13 into 1, that is 13 divided by 3. Now if we divide 13 by 3, you are getting, that is 3 4 is 12. 3 4 is 12. 13 minus 12 is 1. 12 is 1. Therefore it comes to 4 whole 1 by 3. That is, it is equal to 4 whole 1 by 3. Now question number 10 is, question number 10 is 15 into 3 by 5. 3 by 5, right? 15 into 3, that is 45. 45 by 5, right? That is 5 and 5, and 5 9 is 45. That is equal to 9 by 1. 1 is equal to 9 answer, right? This is the solution of question number 3 of exercise 2.2. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.